6 text messages to send to your ex-girlfriend to win her back. Testing your ex is easiest and one of the best way. But what are those best text messages that can send and make positive impact over your situation? Not even wanting your ex-girlfriend back, but looking to make her come running back to you. 1. The I'm okay text message. Hey, I just want to let you know that I'm 100% cool with the breakup and I thought that it was a good idea, hope we can still be friends, talk soon. This text message is great because it conveys all the right messages. For one, you're letting her know that you were 100% okay with the breakup. You need to make her think this right now. By saying this, you're pretty much saying to her that you don't really need her and this will subconsciously drive her insane. By posing as just a friend right now, you start planting my patented seduction seeds that will eventually cause her to start thinking about you in a sexual way again. And win her back. 2. The no communication text. You're right, it's best that we shouldn't talk right now, but I would like to be friends eventually. This one is a little advanced and you need to know exactly when to send this text. But again, you're communicating to her that you don't really need to talk to her. In essence, you're saying that you don't really need her in your reality anymore. By doing this, you'll send a message that you do want to move on, and you'll begin tricking her into thinking that she actually lost you. 3. The jealousy text. I think it was a great idea that we decided to start dating other people. I do just want to be friends right now. By saying this, you're telling her that you're actually date other people right now, which will in turn make her jealous. By saying this, you're subcommunicating to her that you're actually wanted by other women. Remember, women are attracted to men that are wanted by other women. So by saying that you're dating around already, you're pretty much saying that it's your loss, Missy. 4. The big interest text message. Hey, just heard that the Foo Fighters are coming into town in June. Just remembered how much you love them, hope everything is going well. Why does this text message work? Well, for one, you have a very clear purpose as to why you're texting your ex. You're not begging, you're not pleading or getting angry. You're simply letting him or her know about something that may be a huge interest to them. Secondly, you don't force a conversation, you end the reply with, hope everything is going well. Your ex can reply to your text or they can simply ignore it if they want, but if you've done everything correctly up to this point, you should be getting a positive response from your ex. 5. The good reminder text message. Hey, remember that amazing dinner we had on the corner of Smith and Robson Street? What was the name of that restaurant again? I want to take a friend there. In this particular example, you're reminding your ex of the amazing dinner you two shared together. This will force your ex to think about that positive experience. It incites a little bit of jealousy and mystery. Your ex might be thinking, who are they taking to dinner, and why? This text message is extremely effective if you send it at the right time. 6. The smile text message. I just stumbled upon my old copy of Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince and it made me think about you for the first time in a while. And it put a smile on my face. This message has a real purpose. You're trying to reel your ex in emotionally with something positive and interesting. You aren't trying to stir up any drama or to set the world on fire either. You're simply reconnecting and building rapport. Remember, you can't just simply send these texts to her and expect good results. You need to have a plan of attack and send these messages right when she's most likely to take them seriously. Only then will she begin to feel attraction for you and induce a fear of loss within her. Another than this, we recommend you to read the X Factor Guide. It's designed for men who want to get back together with their ex. This dating strategy is designed by Brad Browning, who shows how to win back your ex. And this program claims to have a success rate of 90% for getting back together with your ex. It's not just a simple getting back your ex guide, it covers much more than that. You will learn how to deal with breakups, mend your relationship and get back with your ex. Based on various The X Factor Guide reviews, the X Factor Guide is very effective and employs a simple approach that is easy to understand for individuals from all levels. The program includes book, audio edition, video series and a slew of bonuses. Download the guide from the link in the description below for only $47. Thanks for watching.